Public speaking. See, as a successful executive, you need to speak to public effectively. It becomes a key success factor. Now, for which what you need to do is you have to think, you have to prepare an outline, you have to write down the complete speech, you have to revise it, and you have to also practice the speech. Public speaking, when I am talking, the audience could be much larger. It could be much more than the hundreds and thousands, and it could be even a lakh. So, what the public speaking requires is three things, what I call KCD. One is the knowledge, second is confidence, third is delivery. Knowledge is basically subject authority, simplicity of the language. Confidence comes from your preparation, from your humility, and also from your relaxed atmosphere. Delivery is basically delivering the content, particularly non-verbally, through your body, space, time, and things. Your gestures, your eyes, your smile, your postures, your gestures, how you walk, how you look, all that is very, very important. So, first of all, I would like to share with you some guidelines. So, what are these guidelines? I'd like to give at least 5 of them. First is study the audience psychology. What kind of number will attend? What kind of level of knowledge? What kind of attitude they have got? What kind of actions you expect them to do? All this is studying the audience psychology. Second guideline I'd like to tell you is tailor the speech to suit the audience. And then speak to the audience. More importantly, believe in what you say. That conviction they see in your face. And then overcome fear on the stage. How do you overcome? If you prepare well, if you are confident, that itself reduces the stage fear. Second is practicing. Third is, of course, pause a little bit. Before you start speaking, look at the audience, get familiarity, smile at them, be positive. Then, of course, how do you attract favorable attention? So, for favorable attention, what you need is make them feel important. I'm extremely happy that I have come to address you today, such a great audience. Make them feel important. Get their agreement that I'll speak to you for around 25 minutes. Is that okay with you? Then smile, be friendly. Then lastly, convince them. How do you convince them? Get connected to them, just not contacting them. Connect to them, convince them, and maybe you may use other than the eye contact and appeal, please check on your dress. Is it appropriate to the public whom you are addressing? How are you maintaining eye contact? Are you looking at all sides of audience, left side, right side, center, near, far? Are you maintaining the eye contact? How is your energy level and enthusiasm? Gravity? Are you standing like this? Is there a firmness? How are you using your hands? How are you using your mannerisms, postures? What about your smile? Speed of the speech, is it too fast? Is it too slow? How are you maintaining your voice and the tone? And then handling questions. Are you listening? Are you repeating? Are you also asking one of the members of audience to answer it? What rules I would recommend to you to be an effective public speaker? Inside the audience, arouse their interest. Arouse them to do something. You are not here to inform them, Baba. Build rapport with the audience. First 30 seconds, last 30 seconds is extremely important to form a good impression with the audience. You are there to perform. You are an actor. Performance requires quite a lot, not what you speak. How you speak and how you look, your performance is much better. Then the most important is, please remember, simple is always better in your looks, in your language, in your words. So, voice energy is what people look at in public speaking. Look at role models. I looked at role models. It could be former President Clinton, or it is Obama, or it is Steve Jobs, or the Indira Nooyi. I've seen many such public speakers, and I learned quite a lot from them how you should look, how you should speak, than what you should speak. Those two matter quite a lot. My friends, please practice public speaking skills, which I started in 1984. I'm happy in these 36 years. I come to a certain respectable level of my public speaking skills. Thank you.